Every year, thousands of UPSC aspirants get drawn into the whirlpool of social media shortcuts, posts that boldly claim, "I cracked UPSC in 3 months." While such stories may spark hope, let's be honest, they are the exception, not the rule. If you're genuinely committed to cracking one of India's most competitive exams, it's time to understand what real preparation looks like: grounded, structured, and strategic. So, to help you plan better, here's a realistic subject-wise breakdown of how much time is truly needed to prepare for both prelims and mains, following the order in which the papers appear in the UPSC syllabus. 1. Paper A, Indian Language. It is a qualifying paper, often underestimated by aspirants. Though it may be your mother tongue, chances are you haven't written it formally since school. So, dedicate 2 days to revising, collect past papers, attempt them in exam-like conditions, and identify weak areas. A little preparation here can save you from unnecessary failure. 2. Paper B, English. It is also a qualifying paper, not counted for ranking but crucial to clear. It includes essay writing, comprehension, grammar, and precise writing. Don't take it lightly, practice past papers in exam conditions, identify weak spots, and improve. Just 2 focused days of preparation can ensure you sail through this important hurdle with confidence. 3. Essay. Essay preparation should be ongoing with regular newspaper reading and grasp information from whatever you read as part of other subjects, but dedicate one focused week exclusively. Write multiple essays, take mock tests, and refine structure and clarity. This concentrated effort boosts content quality, expression, and time management, key elements to score well in the essay paper. 4. General Studies Paper 1. It covers 1. History Modern India, 6 days, World History, 5 days, Indian Culture, 3 days, Post-Independence Consolidation, 3 days. 2. Geography Physical, 4 days, Human, 3 days, Indian, 5 days, World, 5 days. 3. Social Issues, 3 days. So, total preparation time for General Studies Paper I is 37 days. 5. General Studies Paper 2. This includes 1. Polity and Governance, 15 days. 2. International Relations India and Neighbors, Global Groupings, 5 days. 3. Welfare Schemes, Pressure Groups, Civil Services, 5 days. So, total preparation time for General Studies Paper 2 is 25 days. 6. General Studies Paper 3. It includes 1. Economy, 16 days, 2. Science and Technology, 5 days, 3. Environment, 6 days, 4. Disaster Management, 2 days, 5. Security Issues, 3 days. Total preparation time, 32 days. 7. General Studies Paper 4. Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude. 1. Theory, 7 days, 2. Case Studies, 8 days. Total preparation time, 15 days. 8. Papers 6 and 7 Optional Subject, Papers 1 and 2. These 2 papers together require 30 days of focused preparation. UPSC Preparation Timeline. A realistic breakdown. To complete the full UPSC syllabus with depth and clarity, here's how your preparation time ideally breaks down. 1. Indian Language Paper, 2 days. 2. English Paper, 2 days. 3. Essay Writing, 7 days. 4. General Studies Paper 1, 37 days. 5. General Studies Paper 2, 25 days. 6. General Studies Paper 3, 32 days. 7. General Studies Paper 4, 15 days. 8. Optional Subject, Papers 1 and 2, 30 days. 9. Ancient and Medieval Indian History, for prelims 7 days. 10. CSAT, prelims paper to 5 to 10 days. Total, 167 days, approx. 6 months. This duration covers just the syllabus completion. But that's not the whole journey. Additional crucial phases. 1. Prelims focused phase, 3 months before prelims full focus on solving mock tests, revising facts, and strengthening weak areas through test analysis. 2. Mains focused phase, after prelims intensive answer writing practice, essay improvement, and test series with expert evaluation and feedback correction. The final word. If you're just starting out, aim for 10 to 12 months of consistent preparation. If you already have a basic foundation, then 6 months of core syllabus work, followed by 3 months each for prelims and mains focused prep, is a solid strategy. Avoid shortcuts and overnight success stories. True success in UPSC is built on strategy, discipline, and continuous improvement. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.